Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Figma MCP with Cursor step by step. This lets Cursor turn your Figma designs into code. Let's get started. First, open Cursor. In the bottom left corner, click the settings icon. From the settings menu, open Tools and MCP. As you can see, our Figma MCP isn't connected to the cursor yet. Now go back, open Customize, and then select Browse Marketplace. Here you will find the Figma plugin. Click on it, select Add to Cursor and install the plugin. If the plugin appears as disabled, simply click on it and toggle it on. Now the Figma plugin is asking for authentication. Click Authenticate. This will open your browser for authentication. Click Agree to grant access. Once the authentication is complete, click Open Cursor. As you can see, the plugin has been successfully authenticated. You can also verify this by going back to Settings. Now to confirm everything is working properly, go to the main agent screen and type Add Figma. You should see the Figma plugin appear in the list. Now you can simply copy the link to selection from your Figma design, paste it into Cursor and start turning your design into code. That's it, you have successfully connected Figma MCP with Cursor. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you still have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.